What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I hope Supreme week 1 was good for you guys. I hope you guys cooked. Hope you guys didn't get card declined a trillion times like I did.
Card was declined, mother. You a bum.
And if you didn't cop anything week 1, don't even stress about it, because today I have the Supreme week 2 drop list and retails. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, so first things first, you gotta give credit where credit is due. So shout out to Drops by Jay for providing all this information I'm going to give to you guys. If you don't follow him already, go ahead and give that man a follow. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the most fire piece out the way. Most expensive too, but definitely the most fire piece. And if I had an unlimited amount of money, I would definitely cop this, but you know, the way my funds are set up, I can't drop it. And that item is the Vanson leather jacket. Bro, this thing is so sweet. So this leather jacket is going for $1,598. And honestly, it's what you'd expect from this leather jacket. I mean, for one, it's leather. It has hella patches on it. And not just small patches either. It has this huge skull patch. It has all these dope fire flames on there. I mean, this jacket is just crazy. And honestly, I can't wait to see all the dope pictures people are going to take with this jacket. And if you didn't know, it comes in 2 colors. It comes in a black and a white. I mean, you can choose whatever one you want to go with, but if I was to get one, I would definitely go with the black. Now, along with the leather jacket, if you need something to match, they got you covered, because they have some matching leather pants. Now, these pants are pretty pricey as well, but if you're going with a jacket, go ahead and go with the pants. There's no reason why you don't do that. There's no reason why you shouldn't do that. Just drop the baby bag on Supreme, get the fire picks off, and then sell that thing. That's just what I would do, but if you actually do like this piece, go ahead and cop it. Now, another thing that's dropping is a collab between Supreme and Timberland. Now, these aren't just a classic pair of Tims like we were all hoping for. They are just a pair of like lugs. Honestly, not my favorite, but I mean, if you're a corporate dude and you can pull this off, I would definitely cop this. Obviously, I'm talking about the black pair. It comes in like this cheetah print. I mean, that's cool. It's a little out there, but it is cool nonetheless. Now, the price of these aren't too bad. I mean, it's going for $188, but when you consider Yeezys are going for retail $200 or $300, $188 for a pair of lugs from Supreme and Timberland isn't too crazy. Next, you have the Ghost Rider long sleeve. Now, I really do like this. I do plan on copping this. I mean, it depends how I'm feeling, but this is a potential pickup for myself. It just has the huge fire print on the front, and then it says Supreme on the sleeves. Super dope, super clean. Now, this is actually going for $110. A little steep, but I mean, it's Supreme. What do you expect? Okay, so next up, you have the zip card jacket, which is coming in at $228. Now, this comes in 3 colorways. It comes in a purple, a red, and a black. Not my favorite piece from this drop. I mean, it's pretty basic in my opinion, but I mean, I do know a few people who are really messing with this jacket, and I know they're gonna cop. So, I mean, if it is your style, go ahead and do you. Another jacket, we have the Stars puffy jacket. Now, this retails for $198, and it comes in 4 colors. So it's coming in this blue and orange, and this white and black, this black and white, and this green and yellow colorway. Now, the blue and orange and the green and yellow colorways are probably my favorite. I'm not paying $198 plus tax plus shipping, so not for me, but it is a cool piece. Now, one of my favorites from this drop is the S logo hoodie. The colorways on this are insane. It comes in 4 different colors. My personal favorite is that like navy, pink, burgundy, and like khaki colorway. I think that's so clean. So this is retailing for $168. So I mean, if it's worth it to you, I would cop it. Then to match the S logo hoodie, they have the S logo shorts. Now, these shorts retailing kind of ridiculous. I mean, it's $128 for a pair of shorts. A pair of sweat shorts, like, come on now. But again, what do you expect? It's S logo, it's Supreme. I mean, these are gonna go for sure, and I'm not sure what resale is gonna be, but I would cop this for the personal. Just $128. I'm not sure if I want to drop that or not. I mean, if I'm dropping $128, I might as well drop $168 and just get the hoodie, because I'm gonna wear that way more. Then you have the marble sweatshirt, which is coming in at $148. Pretty basic in my opinion. I mean, honestly, it's just a simple piece for the personal. If you do plan on copping it, I don't think resale is going to be too much. But I know week 1, a couple things that no one really thought would resell well actually resold for a lot. So you just never know sometimes. Then you have the Lux sweatshirt retailing for the same price at $148. Now, this piece is okay. I mean, it's not my favorite, but I mean, it is cool. It's not ugly or anything, but it's just not for me. Then we have the most trash piece of this drop. It is the twill shirt. Now, this is coming in $128, and this is straight garbage. Like, no one should be copying this. I think this thing is just super trash, and we just need to move on from this one and get into some more better pieces. We have the Cloud Arc tee coming in at $78. Now this one is actually really clean. Now this t-shirt comes in 7 colorways, so there's plenty of options to choose from. You'll definitely find a color that you would like, but I mean, for $78, I mean, it's up to you if you want to drop that. Me, I'm not dropping that on this t-shirt. Then you have the needle patch long sleeve coming in at $98. Definitely don't like this one. I mean, the camo one's okay, but the rest of them are pretty trash in my opinion. Then you have the linen camp caps. Now, I mean, they're caps. I mean, if you like them, cop them. I'm not really going to go too much into the hats. Camp caps coming in at $48. Then you have the Bloodlust 5 panels coming in at just $40. Then you have the tonal logo beanies coming in at only $32. So if you do want to cop some headwear, I would definitely go with the beanie first. Especially in a like mint teal colorway, I would definitely cop that one. Okay guys, so now we're just going to go ahead and get into the accessories. So first one up, we have the Penco measuring tapes coming in at a red and a black colorway. Now retail for these is $38. So I mean, if you want some measuring tape that says Supreme on it, I mean, I would cop it. Me, I'm not the biggest fan of it. I mean, there's no need for me to have like a little measuring tape. I mean, it would be cool to have like in the corner somewhere, but I'm not really gonna go after this one. Even though I know a lot of people do like this item, and I mean, a lot of people are gonna go after it. It's gonna sell pretty quick. For me, I'm just not really into it. Then you have the Band-Aids. Now, everyone and their mother wants these Band-Aids for some reason. I mean, they are cool. I would definitely cop these. I mean, maybe we can all patch up the L's we take this season with these, but these are retailing for $6. Hopefully, they let you cop more than one like they did with the cough drops. That would be really clutch. But it's up to you if you want to cop some Supreme Band-Aids. It would be cool to have. Maybe I'll go after, maybe not. We'll just see when drop date comes. Anyway, that's all I got for you. I didn't want to spend too much time on this video. I just wanted to get it out real quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and leave a like on it. Subscribe to the channel. Comment below what items you're most looking forward to picking up. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.